Hi everyone, Letty here. This is hashtag N2S June 24, the Not Too Shabby Shop June 2024 releases hop and giveaway video. I'm going to be doing another no scrap sketch. Welcome back everyone. I'm on the design team for the Not Too Shabby Shop for this term. Here's their logo. I'll list a website affiliate link down in the description box below. Today I'm going to be showcasing the June box of the month from the Not Too Shabby Shop. It comes with 2 paper pads, 2 ephemera packs, and 3 stamp sets. Jamie also does throw in some freebies. We have a lollipop and some coordinating enamel dots. Let's do a quick unboxing and we'll jump into a project. So let's start with the paper pads. The first one is called Sailing. It's a 6x6 paper pad with 12 designs. These are double-sided sheets of paper. You've got 24 total sheets. Here is what they look like. Super cute, nautical themed, lots of blues and reds and golds. Really, really cute. This one's just a super fun summer collection. Perfect. So this is Sailin. And then there is a coordinating ephemera pack that goes with this set, also called Sailing. Here is what it looks like. Again, it's called Sailing. This one does coordinate with that paper pad. Here's a still shot of everything that comes in that pack. Super, super fun, nautical, beachy, just really, really fun, perfect for summer. Then we have a second paper pad called Tropical Hippos. This one's also 6x6, 12 designs, 24 double-sided sheets. Really, really cute as well. And so this one has more of a tropical theme with coconuts and hippos and florals and hibiscus and just really, really fun, really bright, fun summer colors. Tropical Hippos is this paper pad. And it also does have a coordinating ephemera pack, also called Tropical Hippos. Really cute little hippo images. And these actually have some pretty good size ephemera pieces that come in this pack, a little bit larger than normal. And so here's a still shot of everything that comes in that pack. Look at those cute hippos. They're so super cute. So this is going to be so fun to craft with this summer. So those are the initial items. Then we have 3 stamp sets. The first one's called Ocean Adventures. Now this one has some great sentiments and then some really cute images. Really, really cute. So you've got lots of sea creatures on this stamp set right here. Again, Ocean Adventures is that stamp set. You have a second stamp set that is called Vacay Mode. Really fun images as well. Perfect for a beach vacation, some great sentiments. And these all of the 3 stamp sets do have different sentiments, which makes it perfect. So Vacay Mode is your second stamp set. Then we have Aloha is the third stamp set. This one has, again, lots of really great sentiments on this one. They are different than the others, really fun ones. Look at that. Live, love, aloha. Really, really cute. And then you've got 2 larger images, one with toucans and one with some like hibiscus floral images. So 3 stamp sets. And then again, Jamie does throw in some freebies. We've got some enamel dots and a lollipop, as well as her business card for the shop. So this was, again, the June box of the month, but it gets better. There is an actual coordinating basics. It's called Tropical Basics paper pad. This is 6x6, 24 double-sided sheets. This is going to be the perfect paper pad to coordinate. These are like your solids to go with the box of the month, because both of the other paper pads have a lot of really great patterns. This one's going to be perfect to layer in the backs of your project. So again, Tropical Basics, this is an add-on to the June box of the month. You can find all of this in the Not Too Shabby Shop. Again, I'll list my website affiliate link down in the description box below. Let's dive into our project. Before we do, let me show you what I made with the box of the month for my first project. I did the Bourbon Creek Crafts No Scraps sketch number 1. I made some cards. I'll try to link this video at the very end. And so I was able to make several of these cards with this No Scraps sketch. Today I decided to take out another one. So today I'm doing sketch number 3 from Bourbon Creek Crafts, No Scraps sketch. You actually make 2 cards, there's 2 different designs. You're going to use 4 different sheets of paper to get 6 different cards. And so you'll basically cut 3 different, segments out of your paper. And then the 4 sheets will turn into 6 A2 size cards. So you'll have 4 of this first one and then 2 of the second design. So that is, again, sketch number 3. So now I will talk about the hopping giveaway in just a second. I have my sentiments. I have 1 sheet of 6x6 paper left to cut. I've already cut all the rest of them off camera. I have some store-bought pre-made card bases here just to save me some time. So let's get down and cut this last sheet of paper from our 4 sheets. So I'm taking out my paper trimmer. I'm going to rotate it 1 time to the left or to the right, either way, and then cut it at 5 1/4. And so I'll have this little strip left over either from the top or the bottom. And then this larger piece, we're going to go ahead and cut this at 4 inches on the 6-inch side. So you've got a 4-inch wide segment and a 2-inch wide segment. So now we do have our 3 pieces. That's exactly how you'll cut all 4 sheets of paper. And then the next step will be to go ahead and mix and match those patterns and kind of assemble what our cards will look like. So I'm going to just lay out my 6 card bases here on screen. I'm going to start by laying out my large A2 mats, and then I'm left with these 4 little strips. I'm going to pair them up 2 per card, just like this. And so you kind of can flip the patterns around. You've got several different options here, and then 2 for the final card as well. So you'll have 4 full-size mats and 2 cards with just half of a mat. And so I've got my little strips here. These are going to go sort of at a diagonal. I'm going to just sort of pair them up. And then the first step is I'm going to go ahead and glue that strip sort of at an angle on the large A2 mat. Cut off the excess, but we're going to save those because those will go on the insides of the cards. And so what I'm going to do is just quickly go through and finish off all the rest of the mats. And we'll talk about that hop and giveaway. So it is a hashtag driven hop. The hashtag is hashtag N2S June 24. You're going to want to like, subscribe, and comment to all of our videos. And then there will be a giveaway link down in the description of all of our videos. You can come back and make sure you sign up for it. It'll run from June 10th to June 16th. And the winner will be announced on the Not Too Shabby YouTube community feed. So make sure you subscribe to the Not Too Shabby YouTube channel. The winner will win a $25 gift certificate to the Not Too Shabby shop. So again, it's hashtag driven. There's a second hashtag that's hashtag fun in the sun that you can also use to get to all of our videos for this month's hopping giveaway. So I've quickly done that. I have my 4 cards ready. Now the last 2 are the ones that have these half mats. So I'm going to go ahead and glue them and leave a little space all the way around, just as a small little border. And so you can kind of see there, just a little bitty border all the way around. You could butt them up and put them right next to each other if you'd like, but I went ahead and just kept everything sort of a little bit separate. So that's what it looks like right there. So now I have my 6 cards from my 4 sheets. The last step is literally just to decorate, which is the fun part. So, and then I'm going to use those little scraps to put on the insides and even the fronts of my cards. We'll come back for a full recap up next. Okay, so that was the June box of the month from Not Too Shabby Shop. Here's their logo. We have 2 paper pads, 2 ephemera packs, 3 stamp sets, and then Jamie did throw in a lollipop and some enamel dots, so some freebies there. There is a additional add-on or separate paper pad that you could add. It's called Tropical Basics to coordinate. We did the Bourbon Creek Craft 6x6 No Scraps Sketch number 3. You take 4 sheets of 6x6 and you turn it into 6 total cards, 4 of the solid mat and then 2 of the sort of half mat combination. So I've already decorated them off camera just to save us a little bit of time to get you hopping along. And so what I did was I added some jemmies, some ephemera pieces, and I layered up some different circles and things under them. I did add those scraps you saw there on the inside of the cards. I also added some to the fronts of the cards on some of them. And I did definitely use the sentiment from the coordinating stamp sets that came in this box of the month. So I think these turned out super cute. They're super, super quick and easy. I definitely think you should check out Beth's YouTube channel. I'm going to link it down below where you can get access to this sketch. Here were the other 2 cards that I was able to make. So again, this is the Bourbon Creek Craft 6x6 No Scraps sketch number 3 from Bourbon Creek Crafts, and I use the June box of the month from the Not Too Shabby Shop. I do have an affiliate link. I'll link it down in the description box below. And again, make sure you check out those hashtags so you can check out all of our videos to get all the inspiration from the design team, and then make sure you come back and sign up for that giveaway. This is a hop and giveaway, so you hop along, check out all the videos, and then enroll to see if you win the giveaway prize. So I hope you got a little bit of inspiration today. As always, happy crafting.